How to use AutoDs with eBay. AutoDs plus eBay dropshipping tutorial. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showcasing and showing you guys how to use AutoDs built for eBay. Now as you know, in AutoDs, there are different plans for different types of platforms. So for example, we have eBay over here. That's a separate payment if you want to have an AutoDs for, let's say, Shopify. So if you want to have a shop for Shopify and eBay, it's going to be a different payment because their plans and their functionality is a little bit different. And so over here, as you can see, this is our AutoDs for eBay. We will first explore and check out how you will be able to use AutoDs and how their different features work. And then we will be showing you how you will be able to transfer or import products from eBay, which is going to be a dropshipping interaction, which is of course something AutoDs aims to achieve, providing you with a dropshipping interaction or dropshipping business model with your choice of platform. So in case, or in our video's case, it is going to be for eBay. And so over here right now, as you can see on our screen, we're currently in the marketplace. This is where you will be able to find all kinds of products that you could use to import and add into your eBay. You could find or limit the different products being shown through the filtering over here at the top. You could choose where the product will be shipped from, the currency, you could limit it as well. You could even check out the shipping from, the previous one was shipping to. You can also check out price ranges and even suppliers over here. In the supplier, you are able to actually check out multiple types of supplier over here. There's suppliers from AliExpress, Amazon, DHgate, Kmart, Which, and many more. What they basically do is that they import product from these platforms. So for example, in AliExpress, you will be able to import products easily that are found in AliExpress. You could also filter it out by categories over here on the top. You could maybe check out outdoors over here and enable bestsellers over here so that you could see the bestseller item in the outdoors category. You could even search by product title, supplier, or product name. If you found a product that you like, you can simply open it and you will be able to see more information about that product. As you can see here, I was trying to use a feature that does not allow me to do. But anyway, let's just view a random product for now. And there we go. As you can see, you will be able to see product analysis, product info, specification, policy, and reviews. You will be able to find it on different platforms as well, like Amazon, Facebook, and AliExpress. You can see the analytics over here, such as engagement. As you can see, it's very active, and saturation score as well. As you can see, very busy. And you can also check out the target audience over here, and then some social ads available over here. To be able to add this product into your import list, if you want this to be added on your eBay, you can simply click on import graph over here on the right side. You can also see information such as import from and the pricing as well. So import graph, as you can see, and we can click here to track progress. And there we go, as you can see. This is our product over here. If you want to import this into your, there we go. If you want to import this into your store, simply click on import and it will be imported to your eBay store. Now going back here in AutoDs, there's also hand-picked products available for you. As you can see, this is where we chose our dog over here, our dog extender at the back. As you can see, the large pet back seat extender. And if you want to view more information about the hand-picked product, you would need to get some plan or additional plan to access this site. We also have Ads Spy over here, a feature that will allow you to browse through TikTok and Facebook ads to find the most popular dropshipping platforms. Again, this is something you would need to purchase or have an additional purchase on. There's also trending products. Similarly, you will be able to view trending products, but as you can see, you would need to add this to your plan, which is going to be an additional payment. They also have print on demand feature over here in AutoDs. So not only can you dropship different products, you could also print on demand or have a print on demand be sold to your eBay store. So that's a really cool feature as well. You could create designs for all kinds of products. You could have printed apparels, full printed apparels, accessories, decorations, footwear, and many, many more. We also have your dashboard over here, which I believe will show you a summary or like a report of your profit, orders, total revenue, and new products over here. All the necessary information will be found in this area, as you can see. You could also find products that you want to see or like top selling tags over here, as you can see. This is mainly for managing and viewing how much income is going into your store and out. You can also check orders over here. So if someone ordered on your store, let's say in eBay, since our topic is for eBay, if someone ordered from your store in eBay, you can manage it inside of eBay, but also inside of AutoDs, since AutoDs is handling that payment either way. You can also automate your orders if you want, as you can see here. It will automate your entire ordering and tracking number updates process, which is again an additional purchase in AutoDs. So over here, we can also do some sourcing requests over here, where you will be able to find products much faster with ease, but that's another payment. We could also check out products over here. This is where we were being redirected earlier. This is where we will be able to import or add products. Then you could see here your drafts. This is where you will be able to see the products that you were importing or from the marketplace earlier. You could also add products like single products or multiple products from a store, or you could even use AutoDs Finder over here. You could put in URLs of product that you want to add. So if you want, or if you have a URL of a product from AliExpress, you could do that as well. So actually, let's try that feature out. So AliExpress. There we go. And let's just select a random product to check out. Maybe USB LED over here or USB LED. Wait for it to load. There we go. Open the specific item. There we go. Then let's simply copy the URL. Go to AutoDs, paste it over here, add as a draft. It will automatically identify that as from AutoDs or AliExpress, what I mean. But anyway, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.